Network switch. Now let us understand about the networking switch. Switch is a networking device that connects computers and other devices on a network by using a technique commonly known as packet switching to forward and receive data packets to the destination device. Switch is a multi-port network bridge that can identify the exact destination device to forward data over the network by knowing the MAC address of all devices connected to a switch. Switch work at data link layer of OSI model to forward and receive data in a network. Switch has a MAC table which records all MAC addresses of networking devices that are connected to it for the corresponding port number, and that helps to identify the intended device for sending packets to it over the network. Unlike the hub, switch does not make the network congested by broadcasting data to every node in a network, and it uses full bandwidth speed to forward data to the destination device, as switch only send data to a single intended destination. Normal switches works in the data link layer of OSI model, hence it cannot communicate data packets between two or more different networks. But managed switch is a layer 3 device that is more like the router, and managed switch works in both data link as well as network layer. That is why it can communicate between two or more networks like the routers.